Hello, and welcome to our mini-series, which is meant to accompany What is High School, Episode 2, Courses and Credits. This episode of our mini-series will look at academic programs. Many high schools offer academic programs that focus on preparing you for university. If you are considering an academic program, certain courses will differ from those in a regular high school program. The challenging program is designed to give you a strong foundation for academic post-secondary studies and could earn you university credit for certain courses. Check with your school counselor to learn more before planning your courses. The first academic program we'll look at is Advanced Placement. Eastglen offers Advanced Placement, and we're available if you have any questions about this program. AP or Advanced Placement courses help students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The AP program is recognized by hundreds of universities in more than 60 countries. In addition to being offered at Eastglen, AP is also offered at a variety of other schools across Edmonton. For more information, check out epsb.ca, or for more advanced placement specific information, check out apcanada.collegeboard.org. The second academic program that is offered at a number of schools across Edmonton is the International Baccalaureate Diploma Program, or IB program. This is designed to develop inquiring minds, an international perspective, and effective work habits. IB qualification is recognized internationally and accepted by more than 100 universities worldwide. To find out more, go to ibo.org. These are the two academic programs that are offered at high schools across Edmonton. For further information, check out their websites or let us know if you have questions about AP specifically at Eastglen. This has been your mini episode for What is High School on academic programs. Have a great day.